Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, so here today I'm here to solve one problem, that is trapping rainwater problem. Okay, so it is a mid moderate level question in DHA sheet. Okay, you can find this problem in many of the coding platform, that is like lead code, code chef. Okay, that's etc like that. So in this video we will try to solve this problem. Okay, in a easy and simple way. So let's begin with the solution. Okay, okay, so public static void main. Okay, I have done mistake. sta static void main. Okay, string array of args. Okay, in that I have to decide declare one array of height. Heigst height is equals to the numbers are given above, like 4, 2, 0, 6, 3, 2 and 5. Okay, sorry, 2 and 5, not equals 2 and 5. Okay, it's 3. Okay, 2 and 5. Okay, so to solve this questions we have to make one method, that is public static void tra trapped water water. Okay, yeah, in that method we have to pass one int array, int of height array. Okay, yeah. So to solve this, we have to calculate the left max by using the above array, by using the given array, given gi given array, that is what, that is height. Okay, yeah, yeah. Second, we have to calculate cal calculate the uh, right max, right max. Okay, sorry, yeah, right max by using the given array similar to this. Control plus C. Let's copy this. Okay, after that we have to make one loop, run loop. Okay, yeah. After that we have to calculate the water level, WAT water VEL water level. इसका एक formula है अपने पास. What that? Minimum of left max, left max, left max and right max. Okay, right ri sorry. Okay, RIGST, right max. Okay, yeah. And after that we have to calculate what is t, not y. Okay, sorry for that. Now I have to go forward and make water level not, this is an trapped water, TRAPED trapped, WATE water is equals to water level minus height, W water LEVL level minus height, GI height of I. Okay, yeah. So first of all we have to calculate the left max. So to calculate left max we have to declare an array int of left max. Okay, is equals to new int of. Okay, so this is not record, I can write that array dot length length. Okay, yeah. Okay, sorry, you can write height dot length, not array dot length, height, height. Okay, this is right. Okay, height dot length, this is good. And this is too lengthy, so we can write that n is equals to HEIGST height dot LENGTH. Okay, length, yeah. Okay, so you can write here n. That's too good. Okay, left max at 0 index is equals to the height at 0 index. Okay, yeah, both are same at that point. So now to make a for loop int I is equals to 1, we have to start from 1, go to tilde n, okay, and I plus plus, and here we have to use left max of I. Left max at I, okay, is maximum of max dot max of what, height of I plus 1, because height of I plus minus 1 is minus 1, and left max of I, max of I. Okay, yeah, by using this we can calculate the left max. Okay, after that we have to calculate the right max. Okay, so for we have to first declare the right max, that is RIGST, right max of, sorry what I did here, something wrong. Okay, RIGST, right max. Okay, that is at right max of right int, अरे यार पूरा ग्रास कर दिया मैंने, no problem, int of, I have to declare this first. Okay, is equals to new int of what, n. Okay, yeah, done. Right max of n minus 1. Okay, right max of n minus 1. Why n minus 1? I have discussed in this previous video. Why is equals to height of HEIGST, height of n minus 1. Okay, yeah, we have to run a loop, and in this loop we have to int I is equals to n minus 2, start from n minus 2 and go to I is less than is equals to 0. Okay, yeah, and I को करना है हमको minus minus. Okay, this is funny, too good. And we have to calculate the right max. Right max of I is equal to math dot max of what, max of height of I minus 1, I minus 1, I plus 1, I plus 1. Okay, and right max of I. Okay, max of I. Now we calculate the right max array. After that we have to write a for loop. Okay, yeah, so for I is equals to 0, I is greater than array dot nahi, oh, height dot length, no, HEIGST, height dot length, yeah, I plus plus. Okay, yeah, after that we have to calculate water level. Okay, to calculate water level we have formula, that is control plus x, not like that. Woohoo. Okay, so int of water level, int w8 w8 water level level is equals to math dot mean of, math dot mean of what, left max of I, left max of I, and right max of I. Okay, the minimum of both one is my water level. I have to calculate the trap water. Okay, so I have to calculate trap water in offsite in TRAPET, trap water is equals to 0. Okay, so in down section we can write that. Okay, the, okay, plus is equals to what, water level. Okay, level, yeah, this is done. Okay, yeah, calculate this. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Sorry for that. This is something. Paste it here. Yeah. It's done. Label minus height of I. Yeah. After that, we have to return one. This is a void type, but I will make it as a int type. The return type of this method is int. Okay. So we have to return a variable retur and return of what? Trap traped trapped water. Okay. Yeah. Water. We are going to store int of answer is equals to trapp trapped water water of height heigst, right. The answer of this question is 11. Okay, हमने पहले ही देखा था इसका आंसर. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's run the program. Run Java. Okay. Yeah, let's see the answer of this question. Now we have print the negative value of I. We have done something wrong in this question, but it's okay. I have to try. Very good. गलती मैंने कहाँ कर दी यार. यहाँ सही किया अपन ने, ये सही किया है, ये सही किया, ये सही किया, ये सही किया, ये भी सही किया, ये भी सही किया. ठीक है, प्लस करने में गलती कर दी. सो दैट इज फ्रॉम माय साइड. ओके, ये थोड़ा सा कुछ गलत आ रहा है आंसर. इसका हम सही वीडियो अगली बार लेके आएंगे. ठीक है, हम गलती से ही सीखते हैं. ओके, सो थैंक्स फॉर दैट. ओके, लेट्स क्लोज दिस वीडियो. कंट्रोल प्लस F9.